Hey guys, it's me Trav, and I'm back today with my wife. Say hi. Her mask is better than mine. I got the little blue. I forgot to get my popular mask like hers. Show off your mask. So we at Ichiran again, but it's a different setup now. So this is how the setup is. So you'll have the paper in front of you. You'll use the pen to order the paper. I showed you guys how you can order the stuff, but at the same time, somebody behind here will actually come roll this up, and then when your food is ready, they'll put it down there. But right now it's down, so you know the whole thing is to have a comfortable eating. Do you agree with that? What do you think about the vines?
No, I miss it like this. This is how they did it before. So I prefer it this way. It's better than how they had it outside.
Yeah, so this is supposed to give you a little bit more privacy, and basically it's supposed to be more comfortable, and you're supposed to be able to sit, eat your food in peace and stuff. So she likes it this way. You press this button right here when you need some service and when you want them to come. And then this is the extra noodle tray. I'm a wussy, so I got a half a noodles refill, and she got a full soft noodle chef. So we get a cup of water, of course. We get both a cup of water, and if you want to order anything additional, you can add that to your menu. These are the drinks that they have. And basically you can actually take home a ramen recipe book, or like, no, it's not ramen recipe book, it's what's this, what you call it, it's like servings, noodle serving. And then this right here, you can rate them and tell them how their service is. And right here you can add additional stuff, just like I showed you on the wall right here. And then over here, this basically tells you a little bit about, you know, the policy, what they do. They're a no-tip establishment, so even if you try to leave a tip, they will not take it. So yeah, so just wait till the food come, and then basically we can chow down. Guys, say anything else?
No.
All right.
Can't wait to eat. Can't wait to eat.
And here's my rice. So he actually lifted it up and delivered my white rice. So that's beautiful. So the utensils, you have a choice of a spoon that you take the juice from the noodles and scoop it up, and then you have chopsticks where you can use for the rice. Also you can use for the noodles when it comes, and it comes in this bag. As you can tell, it comes pre-made in the bag. So there you go, he puts the food right there. You want to show her your food? I'll show the food. That's a sound of somebody actually ordering. That's somebody that's actually pressing a button for their assistance. So you hear that sound so that, you know, the customer is either ready to order or just need something else or need a refill on noodles. So that's the sound that you will actually hear. I thought it was a new person coming to the table, but we came here so many times and I still don't know the sounds. Good? Food was good. Here's the outcome of everything that's gone. I didn't really touch the rice like that, but it's okay. The noodles was good. I know my wife's food, she ate everything that you actually seen. She's still working on the broth. So, but with all said, guys, I hope y'all liked the video. And what I like y'all to do is please like, comment, subscribe, and tune in for more from me, myself, Trav. Deuces.